Hey guys, Junior with Keystone RV Center, I-81, Exit 1, Greencastle, Pennsylvania. We are having the Jayco Jubilee going on this week, and it is going till the 2nd. That's it. But we've got the Jayco Micros in stock. We've got J Flights in stock. We've got the Eagles down there in stock. We've got White Hawks. We've got all the popular floor plans that you're not finding anywhere else, Jayco's like 264, the ever famous floor plan, where we got the bunk beds in the back, we got the bigger refrigerator on this one. Of course, you've got the big bedroom up front, which is what everybody loves. Still get a sofa in there and a dinette. But maybe a luxury bunkhouse travel trailer is your answer. So we've got the Eagle HT in stock. But wait, maybe you're looking for a toy hauler because you're tired of the bunkhouse you got. That's right, I'm talking to you, Josh. Yeah, and your lovely bride. Come on down because we do have the 265 toy haulers in stock. Maybe you're just wanting to bring some four-wheelers with ATVs or convert the whole back end to a full living space. However you want to do it, we've got this one, and we've got beautiful luxury fifth wheels like this Pinnacle, or we've also got the North Points, the Eagles, and the Eagle HTs in here as well. This is a great time to point out, go ahead, book an appointment, come down here with us. If you book an appointment and you purchase an RV, doesn't say it has to be a Jayco. Book an RV appointment to come down and see some units. You get a 50-inch TV or $250 store credit when you take delivery of your new RV, which is just awesome. This is such a beautiful unit with triple ACs. I'm gonna hide in here for just a little bit longer. Jayco's with outside kitchens. Jayco's with outside storage. You know all these Jayco's have Goodyear tires on them? Or that all these Jayco's use metal in the inside of their fenders, or that they all come with this 2-year warranty and 3-year structural warranty, the 2+3, or that you, on these little J Flights even, you can get the STX package, which gives you a 30-pound propane tank, a solar panel, and wider axles, and so much more. Maybe you're looking for a small bunkhouse, 154 BH. Did you know that some of these Jaycos, your payments can be as low as $169 a month? How are we getting away with this? Eric's not here this weekend. Realize that Eric's not here this weekend may not make sense to all of you. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, Eric's our general manager, and he's not here this weekend. So definitely click the like and subscribe button. Maybe you're looking for a smallest couples coach. We got the 195 RB. We've also got all these Jaycos. It's safe to say, whichever Jayco floor plan you're looking for, I probably have it in stock. So come on down this weekend, runs till July 2nd. You swing in this weekend. We can even have you camping for the 4th, depending on what time you get here Saturday, and if you bring your truck. So guys, book that appointment, take advantage of that free 50-inch TV or the $250 of store credit. Either way, really? In the middle of telling them about the excellent deals. All right, guys, we'll see you this weekend. 1-800-232-3279 is how you book that appointment.